Good day. Are you a young professional or senior professional or a seasoned professional? Are you an entrepreneur? Are you someone, whether on your own or with a group of friends, wanting to launch a project? Now, it doesn't mean, launch a Microsoft, but basically you have an idea, a concept for a project, regardless what that type of project it is. It could be a software, or it could be a hardware, it could be a business, it could be a non-profit initiative. Any idea, any project that you have in mind. Are you one of those people who have one of those ideas? If you do, you came to the right place. We have something that will interest you, and something would be of great value to you. And the best part of it is zero cost. We are offering you the opportunity to learn and work with me as your coach. Of course, not come to work with me in the company. Work with me as your coach in an online learning program that could span about 3 to 6 months. The program is simple. We will help you deliver your project, take it from concept to closure, using a well-defined methodological approach, which is the SUKAD way CAMP model, C-A-M-M-P, which is the methodology we developed about 11 years ago. So we will help you take your project from concept to closure, or at least until you're operating or basically into operation mode. Obviously, the project should be something that could be finished within 6 months, and basically require few people only, or maybe you on your own. So obviously, it cannot be a huge project or building a Taj Mahal. It is a learning program that we'll offer you. So basically, we will be releasing the learning program in modules. You will learn one module, you will learn one concept, you will learn how to do a stage work in the project life cycle, and then you will apply it immediately. So basically, we will give you the basic foundational knowledge, even with good explanation and maybe some example and maybe some sample case studies from before. And then you need to go with your team, or again on your own, do the work. So the first stage will be the concept stage. Then you will ask you to go ahead and document your concept. That will be step 1. Then we go to step 2 and step 3. And every step here is a stage or part of a stage, because some stages could be big, so we might break them down into pieces. Now, the best part of this is that while you are working with your team, we are available, I am available to support you, to answer questions, to coach you, and even it's part of the job, part of the deal is that you submit your work to us. So basically, it cannot be a confidential project. And then we will give you our comment and feedback and correction, so you can go back, you can accept our feedback, or you don't have to, and then finalize your work. And we plan to release the learning module one by one. Each learning goal, we will release it in a week, and we have 19 goals. So technically, this is about 4 months program in terms of releasing the content, maybe faster, a little bit faster than that. We will be releasing the learning content, but you can join immediately because we're starting now. You can join immediately, and then, or at least take the time to form your team and start working on the project in parallel of the learning that we give you. The first few weeks of learning are going to be general stuff. So if you don't have a team ready yet, but you definitely have a project idea, then you can start the learning right now as you assemble yourself and then get the ideas clear in your mind. And then you will be working on the project. So we will be guiding you, coaching you, mentoring you throughout the program. Again, the conditions here, the project cannot be confidential because you need to share that information at least with me, if not with the community. You need to have a project that can be reasonably finished in about 6 months. If it's a little bit longer, no big deal. And once more, all of that is for free, but there is a but, there is a condition here. We often struggle with organizations keep asking us for case studies. I can share case studies from SUKAD, but unfortunately, I cannot share case studies from companies because they are very sensitive in sharing their information. Now, this is a private project, so basically, again, one condition is that the project should be a private, not from a company, because we do not want to get into the headache of dealing with the company confidentiality issues. So what we will be asking you is to sign an agreement with us that this project is not confidential. And obviously, you don't have to do the technical detail because we are focusing on the management, not getting into the technical detail. So if you have some kind of secret technology, we do not need to see it. We just need to help you how to manage setting it up as an organization or as a project or as an initiative. We don't need to get into the technical detail that could be obviously confidential and secretive, and we don't want to see that. That's not the intention. What we want to see is that as you go to the project management steps, those documents that you produce, or maybe any video session we record with you, it could be online or it could be among yourself. You guys sit down and record the work you're doing. We want you to share with us. We want you to share with us in order to enrich our, basically, case studies library. So we want to be able to add these case studies to future projects and courses like this. We want to be able to publish them for the world to see. Now, somebody will say, well, Munir, it's like you're asking us to do work for free. Well, in terms of value, a course like this will cost you more than a few $100s, if not $1,000. That is just to register for a course like this, a 4-month program that will give you a certificate at the end. And not only this, how much time and engagement you will have with a PM coach, someone with my level of experience. I'm not making myself into being a guru or anything. I'm just someone who's experienced. So basically, for getting this private coaching, what would be the value for you in that? In return, what we're getting your case studies, in terms of money, the value for us, direct money, is not much because publishing these things really doesn't make any profit. It's actually cost us more to do it. However, yes, definitely it have an indirect benefit for us because it enrich our case studies library and we'll be able to share more case studies with people, and that should have a great benefit to us, to SUKAD, obviously, and to the community as well, because they will be learning. They will be learning from us and you. And of course, anything we publish, we will be crediting you. This is the deal. So we are offering you a great learning opportunity, an outstanding course that is based on a well-defined methodology that with many knowledge references published, including publication by global leading publishers. We will be sharing that with you. We will be sharing template, flowchart, mind maps, everything you need in relationship to helping you lead your project to deliver the product successfully and realize the benefit. That's what we offer you. In return, we ask you to share with us the document you produce in order to maximize the benefit for all the project management community around the globe. What do you think? Ready to accept this challenge? We need, by August, have your team ready. Thank you.